Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the moving text in your WordPress site. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use. After that you have to simply type in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar and then click on enter. After that it will simply take you to the home page, and from here you have to just simply click on the edit site option, and after that it will simply take you to the site, and then here you have to simply choose the text that you would like to make running. Then what you need to do is simply click on the three dot icon, and then here you have to just simply click on the edit as HTML from here. And once you click on the edit as HTML, you have to simply type in some codes here. So then you have to simply type in the mark UI behavior is equals to scroll direction is equals to right. Then you have to just simply type in the letter that you would like to make it moving, and then you have to simply do the same thing in the ending of the sentence as you can see the mark UI. Then you have to just simply click on enter, and make sure that after that you have to simply click on the preview option from here. And once you click on the preview option, it will simply make your text running. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.